Sharing your story is probably one of the most uncomfortable things you will ever do. And I'm here sharing that. That a lot of the times people will post and share with others their great moments of glamour and glitz, but very infrequently will they share the moments that are not so great. Even me being in this career, I very frequently remember that moment where I probably had $50 left in my account because I paid for school 100% cash. And I didn't know how I was going to pay rent, food, or gas that week. But all I knew is that I was going to do it. It was persistence and it was grit. And I share this with other women because you have that capacity inside you. It's knowing that you have that power in you as an entity. You have the power to give life, to create life. Whether you decide to or not, that's a personal choice. But just that gift that you have been given to create life is something so amazing. Only women have that power.